make it pet. Pet, pet, what a cute pet. Little puppy, don't forget. Chat, 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 chat. Here comes a jet, zoom, zoom, zoom. Flying high above the room. Jet, jet, flying fast. Zooms around and whooshes past. Jet, 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 jet. A little frog got soaking wet, splashing in the pond, I bet. Wet, wet, jumping high, splashing water to the sky. Jet, 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 jet. A spider made a shiny net to catch some drops that make it set. Net, net, round and wide, shiny threads from side to side. Jet, 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 jet. Pet, jet, wet, and net all rhyme together. That's the set. Say it loud, let's not forget. It's the Ed family alphabet. I bet. The Ed family is fun, you see. Next time, learn new words with me. Let's clap, let's smile, let's sing again.
The Ed families are rhyming friends.